If you are wondering how to prevent a program from accessing your internet using Windows Firewall, then make sure to finish the short video tutorial as we will show you how. Firstly, in blocking a program, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow App or Feature through the Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings and then locate the program you wish to block. You'd also add a program to the list if necessary. Now after that, click the check mark and select OK to save the changes. Another way is to use the advanced settings. All you have to do is open Windows Firewall again, click Advanced Settings, select Outbound Rules, choose New Rule, check the program box, click Next, select a program, browse a program, then paste the program path into this. Now once you're done doing that, click Open, then replace the path before the app's name with your copied one. Like for an example, if you wanted to block Chrome in the path, you can put it like this. You will select all but leave this section and then replace it with your copied text. Once done, you have to click Next, continue through the on-screen instructions, name your rule, and then click Finish once done. So those are the different ways on how to block any program from accessing the internet using Windows Defender Firewall. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.